Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful hydrangea wreaths. They're fresh hydrangeas and they will dry just like this on the wire frame. Anyways, let's get to it. This is an 18-inch wire frame and I got it at Michael's. And I'm going to make a Quickfire Fab hydrangea flower wreath. And I'm using fresh hydrangea flowers. They've turned pink and they will dry perfectly just on this wire frame. So let's get started. And I've picked off most of the leaves off the stems, and then I'm going to be weaving this through, and I might have to use some wire that I have here if they don't go on the way I want them to sit properly. You see that one's already flipped over, and I'll have to start this way. Sometimes they have a mind of their own and they don't want to weave on here nicely. And I might just have to leave that like that and clip that flower out. There, that one sits better. See? And I think I'll cut off the ones on the back here so it'll lay flatter against the wall. Now, some of the leaves are on here. There. Not too worried about it. You do want to try and get most of them off. There. And you kind of want to have it so one's going this way, one's going that way, and it fills in nicely. And you just sort of want to set it where you want it, and then you can weave it in. There, see, like that. And then I can come around and cut these off when I've got the other hydrangeas to go in. So I'm going to do that now. That one's okay. This one. Just pull it down. Fluff out your flowers. Oh! Okay, that one's not working. I'm going to come up a little higher and push it under. There. There. As you're getting towards the end of your circle on the wreath, you're going to have to slowly and carefully thread these branches under this section. Unfortunately, these already started to turn brown. I waited a little bit too long and the nights have been getting pretty cold. I mean, this morning I woke up, it was 6 degrees Celsius, so I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's cold. And just get them in there. Don't be afraid to really get in there and get it in. And one more. That one's pretty. There. I think that looks pretty good. See if there's any holes, and I don't see any, but maybe here. I might just pick off some of these and put a smaller one in. Oh, that one's... Maybe I'll pick off the bottom and get some more pink in there. Yeah, I like that. There. A beautiful hydrangea wreath. So on this wreath, it's a Quickfire Fab. That's all I used. And it's beautiful and ruby red, or maybe even a cranberry red. It's just beautiful. I think I left the flowers on the bush a little too long. They're starting to turn a bit brown. So unfortunately, this year, the wreath will look kind of two-tone. And this wreath I made with Limelight hydrangeas and a bit of Hydrangea. And this is fresh. They're all fresh. And I just like the way that the Hydrangea sticks out a bit and gives it a contrasting color with the blue. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up or even consider following me. Bye, have a great day.